Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to start the replacement analysis and we will try to finish it within one lecture only, because in this particular part we will go through only the basics which are required. Now here replacement analysis is basically based on industry, rather you can say regarding some manufacturing industry. And this manufacturing industry has lots of machines or equipments. Now, the replacement analysis here is the concept of replacing the machine in that industry. Two questions basically arises: that when we will replace the machines and why should we replace the machines or rather equipments. The first answer is obsolescence. Now, what is this obsolescence? This word comes from the word obsolete. This word comes from the word obsolete. It occurs when an asset's technology is surpassed by newer and or different technologies. That means if your technology or assets which you have are already obsolete and there are lots of new technologies which has came into existence, then this machines has to be replaced. Say for example, the nowadays we get lots of smartphones. Now there are very less we of us which rather we use the keypad phones, because there are lots of technology which has developed in the smartphones. That's why we are using the smartphones. So there are lots of cell phones which we used to use in past, say 96, 97, now are obsolete. So that's why here it is told it occurs when an asset technology is surpassed by newer and or different technologies. This is number one. Number two, depletion. Now what is this depletion? Now when you are rather using the machineries or equipments, then what happens? There is a gradual loss of market value. Suppose you are continuously using a particular equipment or a machine, then what will happen? Automatically there will be a loss in market value of that particular asset because of consumption, or it is exhausted. So here it is written, the gradual loss of market value of an asset, it is being consumed or exhausted. So that is the second cause for replacement. And the third one, deterioration due to aging. Aging means you know that just like human, everybody has to retire someday. So here also regarding machines, when they become old, they have loss in value of some asset. So they have to retire. So gradually they deteriorate. So the general condition of loss in value of some asset due to the aging process. So that's why we have to replace. Now in replacement analysis in the industry, there are two concepts. One is the defender, another is the challenger. Defender means those who are old machines or old equipments. Challenger means new machines or new equipments. Now always the challenger comes into existence in the market to replace the defender. So new machines come in the market to replace the old machines. Now this is very simple. Now how we will rather or when we will replace the old machines or the defender, when we will rather accept the challenger or when we will accept the defender, or vice versa. The first And the foremost thing which we should remember is the minimum cost life of new asset. Minimum cost life of new asset. Now what is this? Minimum cost life of a new asset means the number of years at which the average annual cost, ACC, that is the average annual cost, is minimum. Again I am repeating. Minimum cost life of a new asset means the number of years at which the average annual cost is minimum. Due to increasing repair, maintenance and operating cost of machine or equipment, the minimum cost life may be shorter than the expected life of the machine. So, when the time value of money is considered, taking a certain discounting rate, the present value of repairing and maintenance cost are to be analyzed for each year. An average annualized cost, that is AAC, AAC, for different years are also determined. Based on this particular technique, the following decision rule is applied for replacement decision. Number 1. If average annualized cost is greater than next period's cost, replacement is not made. That means if average annualized cost is greater than next period's cost, that means next year's cost, replacement will not be made. But if average annualized cost is less than next period's cost, replacement is made. So, what is average annualized cost or what is annualized cost? Annualized cost is the total cost divided by cumulative discount factor. So, this thing you have to remember when you should replace, depending on minimum cost life of new asset. Now, we will rather find some replacement decision map. That means through decision we have to replace, which we will try to understand with a flow chart where a production manager analyzes and how to compare the cost effectiveness of the new machine with the old machine or equipments. So the old machine is Defender and the new machine is Challenger, you know that. Flowchart diagram is as follows. See this one. Now this is old machine. This is old machine. And this is new machine. This is new machine. So old machine is the Defender, new machine is the Challenger. Now both of them are trying to find some alternatives. Now first we have to find whether the marginal cost data is available or not. Marginal cost, you know, already we have done when we have done the cost, different types of cost, average cost, total cost, marginal cost. So that data is available or not, you have to find. Now two answers may be there. One is yes, another is no. If no, then what we should do? Compare old machines ACC. What is ACC? Which we have already got here. ACC, that is the average annual cost. ACC. For the remaining life with ACC of the new machine at its minimum cost life. So this you have to compare. Now depending on the comparison, you have to take the decision. But if the marginal cost data is available, then what we can do? You have to see whether the marginal cost of old machines is increasing or not. Whether marginal cost of old machines is increasing or not. If no, then compare old machines lowest AAC with new machines AAC at its minimum cost life. Compare old machines lowest AAC with new machines AAC at its minimum cost life. And if yes, compare next period marginal cost with new machines average annualized cost. Then come to the decision. Now, through this particular diagram, we can analyze whether we will accept the challenger or whether we will remain with the defender. So that's all with this replacement analysis. So thank you.